You all know me. My position is very straightforward. We have the BBI meeting that was announced is starting from Kisii region. After the Kisii region, the meeting is going to Kakamega. I'm a member of parliament from Kakamega County. If my people are being mobilized to go and attend a BBI meeting, I'll be there as a member of parliament for Lugari. I'll attend the meeting. I want to listen to what they are saying. I'm not of the idea of postponement of this meeting. My people in Lugari are part of the larger Kenya. They need to know what is in BBI. The meeting in BBI has been clarified clearly by Governor Paranya, who is the convener of the meeting, that it's not a political endorsement of the kingpin of Western. We are not going to endorse Oparanya as the kingpin of Western. We are not going to remove Musalia as a kingpin of Western. We are not going to discuss Wetangula. As a matter of fact, this is a meeting that has been convened for BBI. All the team that the president has extended the term of office as a task force in regard to the BBI initiative will be in Kakamega. I cannot afford to miss such a meeting. If you are a leader, go to that meeting, express your opinion in that meeting. Let's not have side shows. Side shows that postpone the meeting. You are not the organizers of the meeting. Why should they postpone? Me, I'll attend that meeting because it has been convened by my Governor Paranya. After the Kisii meeting, I'll attend this Kakamega meeting as a leader from Lugari constituency to listen to the views of the people. But if the meeting will turn to be an endorsement of an individual as a community kingpin, I'm not party to that. But if it's purely the BBI meeting, I'll bring my people from Lugari to attend the meeting and listen to the BBI task force.
How will you know that it will not turn out in that meeting the same or let me answer.
I have spoken to Honorable Paranya today morning. I have spoken to Eugene Omalo as part of the organizer of the meeting. They have assured me that there's nothing like endorsement. And if there's something like endorsement, then I'll walk away from the meeting. I'm an elected leader. Why should I be party to nonsense of Luya endorsing their own every time? I'll be party to a national idea that this is BBI initiative, let's move ahead. I'm one of the people who are invited in State House to receive the BBI report. Why should I run away from the same report?
Now, I can oppose
the member of parliament for Lugari. I'll attend the meeting. I want to listen to what they are saying. I'm not of the idea of postponement of this meeting. My people in Lugari are part of the larger Kenya.
MP for Lugari is talking about, because we have been called here as leaders. He was here with other leaders who have been on this table. He ran away. Now he has come back alone to talk of just differently alone as somebody from Western. This is a wrong leader. And we are not going to accept leaders like this, like Honorable Savula, because he should join us as leaders, because it was MPs elected from Western Province who are here, and he was here and he sneaked away. Now coming back and calling a press differently, I think is wrong. And supporting PPI, we are going to support PPI the way it is. If there will be changes, we are not going to support PPI. And these people are being used by Raila, like Atwoli and Oparanya and him. They are being used by the Prime Minister to undermine Western, to undermine leaders of Western Kenya. That's what I can say.
Okay, let me answer him. BBI is not a Western issue. A Western issue. BBI is not a Western issue. BBI is a national issue. You cannot trivialize BBI to a Western Kenya issue. BBI is a national issue. I understand politics better. In Western Province, I got 46,000 votes. That was the highest. But in me got 11,000. So who is senior here? I speak volume in terms of the popularity of Western. And I said very well, I'm attending the meeting as a member of parliament from Lugari. Period.
These are people who are...
I'm attending from Lugari. You are in Ruto camp. Me, I don't care. Me, I'm Musalia camp. Tini Mwale Karibu.
These are all leaders, members of the press. Because if we have leaders like Sabula, these are just like conmen. These are wrong leaders. Kwenda huko. Supporting.
This is very much interesting that my colleagues can come back and try to talk about what we have decided as a team. What we have decided as Western leaders, the statement that was read is what we are supporting. And therefore, any other divergent view that comes from any other leader, you should take it as a personal position and not the position of Western leaders. Thank you.